Hello everyone, what's up? This is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SSTec Tutorials. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you top 3 way to get free US phone number and verify any online account or WhatsApp account you want. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SSTec Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Okay guys, now let me show you the first way to get free phone number and also make anonymous call for free. First of all, open up your Play Store and search here for an app named Ringtone. Here you can see the app icon of Ringtone. Now install this app on your mobile phone. When the app is installed, just simply tap on it and open the app. Now here you need to sign up an account. You can use your local phone number, email or Facebook account for registration. Choose one of those options and create an account on Ringtone. When the account is created, go to More option and here you will get some free credit to make call. Now go to Setting, then go to Call Setting. Here you will get an option named Anonymous Call. Turn on the option and make a call one of your friend, and he or she will get a call for an unknown number. This option will hide your original number and make call from anonymous number. Ask the number from them and you will get the number and you can use that number for verification. Now let me show you the second option. Again, go to Play Store and search here for another app named Second Line. Here you can see the app. Now install that app on your phone. When the installation is completed, open the app. And here you need to sign up for an account. I already had an account, so I am gonna log in directly. When you logged in Second Line app, you will get a free number here. Using this number, you can verify any online accounts. Okay guys. Now let me show you the unique way and the latest way to get free phone number for online account verification. Just go to Play Store on your mobile phone and search for an app named Secure UN. Here is the app. Now install this app on your mobile phone, then open the app. Here you need to sign up for an account. Click on Sign Up and type any username and password here. Then click on Submit button. Then you need to enable auto login option. Now using this app, you can make free call, message. Now go to Setting and you will get a number is assigned in your account. Using this number, you can verify any online account or any social media accounts. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec Tutorial and I'm signing out.